Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of bryophytes, and today's practical for discussion is study of longitudinal section of sporophytes of the genus Funaria. Funaria, it is a bryophytic plant. Let us see how to do the practical of longitudinal this Funaria. Let us see. What is the requirement for the practical? Requirement for practical is we need a permanent slide of longitudinal section of sporophyte of the genus Funaria, and we need microscope to observe the slide. And procedure is very easy. We have to examine the permanent slide under the microscope, and we have to write all the details what we observe under microscope in the slide. In observation, what we can see, the longitudinal section of sporophyte, it has three different parts. That is, it is divided into three parts, that is foot, seta and capsule. Foot region, it is the basal region of the sporophyte which is embedded in the tissue of gametophyte, which helps in absorption of the food. That is the function of that foot region. Seta, it is thin, long, elongated structure that bear capsule at its tip. It absorbs food from foot and supply to the capsule. Next. How is the capsule of sporophyte of Funaria? The capsule is having again three different parts. Number 1, apophysis. Number B, theca, or it is also known as body, and uppermost opening, it is known as operculum. Operculum, it is a cap-like structure. Let us see all the details. How is the apophysis? Apophysis is the base of the capsule surrounded by single layer of epidermis with stomata. Next region of the capsule, it is theca. Theca is the middle swollen part of the capsule which is covered by single layer of epidermis. No stomata. Stomata are absent. Below epidermis, two layers of hypodermis is present. Within the capsule, air cavities are present that are separated by trabeculae. Trabeculae, these are the walls which are formed by the arrangement of the cells one above the other, and the air help in the respiration. The air which occurs in the cavity, that helps in the respiration. And next, spore sac is present around the central columella, which is filled with number of spores, many spore mother cells, which divide by meiosis and produce haploid spores. Next. Columella is made up of parenchymatous tissue. Okay. Operculum is a cap-like structure, or it is a lid, few longer in thickness, and at the base of the operculum, a ring-like structure is present which is called annulus. Below operculum, two sets of long conical teeth are present which are called peristome. The teeth-like structures are called peristome, which are hygroscopic. Hygroscopic, they absorb water, they absorb moisture from environment, water-loving thing, that is peristome, and this peristome help in spore dispersal. These things we have to observe in the permanent slide given for the study. And next, this is the photograph of longitudinal section of sporophyte of Funaria.